I think we all know the wisdom of having an emergency fund. Whether it's just a little one to get you started, $100 or $3,000, whatever it is, it's all a great idea. And I'm not here to argue that, but I am here to tell you exactly why it should not all be in cash. I'm in West Tennessee, and we've got a major storm coming right now, snow and ice, as does much of the country. They're saying that we could be without power for a week or two, in worst case scenario. Last time this happened, I was actually without power for 9 days, and it hit me hard. I learned a lot of lessons awful quick. The stores were crazy, so I thought, I'll just go after the storm once all the chaos dies out. Problem was, there were tree limbs everywhere, accidents on the road. The roads remained impassable for days. Utilities couldn't get out to fix anything because they couldn't get down the road. So what I started doing from that day forward is I take a small portion of my emergency fund and I put it into the items that I would honestly buy in an emergency anyway. Food, batteries, candles, pet food, fuel for the generator, things like that. Because you never know what's going to happen, whether it's a layoff or a sickness or a major storm. You may not be able to get to the store for several days. And when I went to Walmart today, I was kind of embarrassed about the panic, really. I ended up leaving the store without anything, and I found another little store, but even they were just pretty much out of supplies. Everybody panics at the last minute. I don't understand why most people don't have at least a 3-day supply of supplies at their house. And if you buy in advance with your emergency fund, a portion of it, you're actually going to save some money. You can shop for sales, and let's all face it, prices aren't getting any lower. So anything you can buy today is going to be a blessing in the future. If you don't need it, a neighbor will. So consider taking a portion of it and buying these supplies beforehand. Get pre-positioned. So tell me below, what do you think of this? What are you doing with your emergency funds?